Welcome back to Autism Live. We're having a special Wednesday toy review because we have so many toys left to review. We wanted you to see and hear them all. So our next is a subscription kit, and we had a couple of subscription kits on the guide this year because sometimes you need to have a regular schedule of reinforcing things that come. For those of you that are busy, and I know sometimes people go, I don't want a subscription kit, but just because it comes in the mail doesn't mean you need to give it to your kiddo that day. And if you are having a hard time getting things that are reinforcing for your kiddo, and you find that you got to run out last minute to get something, getting a subscription kit is a really good idea, and I think it's a really good idea from grandparents because you know that there's going to be a schedule of reinforcement. It comes in the mail, and that's an opportunity to say, okay, look what came from Kiwi Company, from Eureka. It's called a Eureka Crate, and in it comes a kit that the kiddos have to put together. Each one comes with an instruction manual. Now this one, our teen, tween, oldie but goodie, it could have won our STEM award, I gotta say. But what I particularly loved about this, and what so many of the people who reviewed our toys loved about it, was that it teaches a variety of different skills, and every single month each kit kind of works on different skills. So if you've got a maker in your home that's a junior maker that they like to take things apart and put them together, this is a great subscription. So what I have here, this was the pinball machine that was one of the kits that came in this last year's selection, and it's all that very thin wood, but the way it goes together, if you've got a kiddo that was interested in building, and maybe you've tried the erector set and that wasn't the thing, I love this because you're going to use tools, you're going to use screwdrivers and things, and it's really pretty advanced, but the instructions are very good, and it's very possible for a tween or teen that loves to put these together. But it's going to tax them a little bit. It's going to make them think. It's going to make them have to work on things and problem solve. And that's all good if we have a maker, because the ultimate is that you end up with something that's functional. And we've had people put this together in our office, and I'm just going to say they had a great time, and everybody's been playing with it. It's an actual functioning pinball. It comes with 3 balls. I can put the ball in. I got to lay it flat to do this part. And it has, and I've won a multi-ball here. So I'm going to lay it down a little bit so Trey can get a better shot here. Let me turn it this way. So really well-made items that go together solidly. If you've ever had a hard time putting together an IKEA desk or something like that, this is a lot easier than that, and great run-up to doing those kinds of things in their life. Also, the instruction booklet is super well put together with illustrations and very small amount of text, but the text makes sense. So every month you end up getting a different crate that has in it a different kit, and love it. So you get it, you put it, say, the Eureka Crate came today, so this is perfect for when, we're going to have to study for that test, or we've got to do whatever. And you can see it all comes beautifully packaged. So I've got another pinball here. But every month it's something else. We've had cranes and other things. So really, really love this. This is Kiwi Company, the Eureka Crate. Super fabulous. I absolutely love it. Hey, thanks for watching Autism Live. To subscribe, click here. And if you'd like to check out some more of our videos, click here.